Fine Poetry, Poems of Alexander Pushkin. Day's reign is done. Day's reign is done. The rainy mist of night spreads on the sky, leaden apparel wearing. And through the pine trees, like a ghost appearing, the moon comes up with hidden light. All in my soul drags me to dark surrender. There, far away, rises the moon in splendor. There all the air is drunk with evening heat. There move the waters in a sumptuous heat. And overhead the azure skies. It is the hour. From high hills she has gone to seashores, flooding in the waves' loud cries. There, where the holy cliffs arise, now she sits, melancholy and alone. Alone, because none is weeping, fretting, none on his knees is kissing her, forgetting. Alone. To no one's lips is she betraying her shoulders, her wet lips, her snow-white bosom. No one is worthy of her heavenly love. 'Tis true? Alone? You weep? I do not move. Yet if